Okay. What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be playing in the Poem. No, yeah, the Poem Paradise. The Poem Paradise, and we're gonna be a mode of medium. No, what mode are we doing? So guys, it's medium. Welcome guys, this is me with player 5. It's me with player 5. I chose medium. Yep, I chose medium, guys. I'ma just yeah. Yeah, he just said hello. Yeah. Bro, he's at 1 HP. This dude is genius. Yeah. Yeah. Where is bro? They're coming to now. They're gonna start a fight. It's gonna be a very big fight, bruh. Who's gonna win? He got his guns out. He got his head out. Wow. Damn. Yeah, we'll be playing Toilet Tower Defense. And I think... No, we're gonna win. We finna win because the last round we was gonna win. We destroyed the boss under 30 seconds. Yeah, we actually did it. Cause that's why we're doing medium mode. Just to show you guys. It's been 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. Two. And I'ma just use this for the start. Bro, it has so much good range. What? Yeah. Under 20 watt. Yeah. But didn't even get to... Yeah! Yeah, we obliterated him. Yeah. We obliterated. We did! Literally. We did! Yeah! Watch my YT. It's called Real Beast 990. I have no... Check it out when the video ends and gets uploaded. There is no copyright, by the way. It's just my voice. That's it. Yeah, Rip Sigma cameraman. Because I need to pay in a month. Yeah! Nice, bro. I'm just gonna cut it till we finish this. Yeah, he said, oh yeah, guys. That's why I had to cut then go back. Check the game out. Check out a game called The Forest. Walk home, get burger at 3 AM. And The Hotel. Which is his game, not mine. Not anyone else's game but his. So, we are on wave 20. We got 10 more waves. Say it to them, Ibrahim. Say it to them. That we got 10 more. Yeah. Hey, I need to upgrade another one, just in case that we die. Yeah, we got... Look how many bus toilets. This is gonna be so easy. Look, that was so easy. Look, the buses just died in 10 seconds. Bro, what? It's so easy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That was so easy. Medium mode is the easiest. Easiest. I wanted easy mode and I think this is our speed one. We got speed ones. I think. Bro, what? It's a bit crazy. Imagine. Oh my god. Nah, when they get here, that's when they die instantly. When they get here, they die instantly. They get here, they die instantly. What the heck? Bro, he just spawned another one. I can't believe he just spawned another one. Max level. All of mine are max level. What the heck? Max level. Titan cameraman? What do you mean by that? Oh, yeah. We got this. It's so easy. at the end, there's gonna be a crazy boss. It's gonna be hard to defeat. It looks easy, but there's gonna be a boss. That would be impossible, bro. It would be impossible. Very impossible. Spawning in my herd. Titan camera man. Now we got this. I'm literally melting it more. There's 10 billion beams going back and forth. Oh my gosh! At the end, it's gonna be very hard. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now I'm just gonna start max level. Oh my gosh. No, Nah, bro. Nah, bro is rich. Bro is Elon Musk. Says you look at your 10K. Oh my god. This is a money farm, bro. Some money farm. I'm gonna place another one. Just to make it more better. Look at mutant toilets. More like nothing to. Look at. Oh my god. That was so easy. Oh my gosh. I think it's not enough. It's max level. Wait, what? Mine's not max level? That's why. They're not even. That's why they're going here. Yeah. 2 more waves. Bus toilets. They're actually getting here. Yeah. Oh, this is easy mode. Imagine if we did easy mode in 10 seconds. Yeah? Nice.